Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Students, take out your English workbook of class 1 and look at page 30. First of all, students, write day and the date on above of your page. First of all, what they are asking from us, reading the phonics. We have to read the phonics and then we have to write the suitable word in the box. Let's read what question E is asking from us. Write the OT which becomes OT words given below in the correct boxes. Let's suppose POT, pot. If you see, a pot can be easily fit into this box. So we will write pot here because if you pot can be easily fit in this box, because when we write P in our copies, so we used to write P like this, O like this and T like this. So this shows pot can be easily fit in this box. So write pot here. If you see the second word jot, it also fit easily in the second box. Like we used to write jot in this way in copies, so it can be easily written in this box. So write jot here. If you see the third one, it has 4 options. So lot doesn't fit in it, plot also doesn't fit in it, because you must be thinking why not, because if you see for P this kind of box is used and it can be easily fitted here, but for not, this is the suitable for box. See, we used to write not like this in our copy, so it can be easily fit in this box. So write not here. And in fourth box, hot can be easily written here. So write hot here, because these kind of words have a bigger row. For these kind of words like H, T, P, J, bigger in length boxes are used. So these words can be easily fit here. So look at the fifth one. Lot can be easily fit here. L-O-T, lot. And one word is fit, cot. Cot can be easily fit here, because for C it is written within 2 lines in copies, and O also written within 2 lines in copies, and for T we need a bigger box, so T can be easily written here. So we are only left with plot. So we will write P here, because for P it has a long box, and L it has a long box, and O it has a short box, and for T it has a long box. So I'm sure all these words has been clear to you and you have noted them in your books. All this for today. Thank you from my side.